morning, class.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, Miss.
Okay guys, so today we will study about the dynamics of ecosystem. Before that, we have 5 chapter contents about this matter. The first is biogeochemical cycles, and the second is the flow of energy in ecosystems, and the third is trophic levels interaction, and the fourth is biodiversity and ecosystem stability, and the fifth is island biography, and the last is we have a conclusion. Did you know, guys, what are includes in ecosystem dynamics?
I miss.
Okay, Teddy, please.
These include change in population, food chains, nutrient recycling, and ecosystem recovery after disturbance.
Okay, guys, did you agree with Teddy's answer?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, give applause for Teddy. Next, our topic is biogeochemical cycles. Biogeochemical cycles involve the circulation of chemical elements atoms. There is carbon, nitrogen, water, and phosphorus. Okay guys, first, carbon. Carbon has functioned the basis of organic compounds, circulates through the atmosphere and ecosystems. And the second is nitrogen. Nitrogen requires fixation by microbes to be used by plants and algae. And the third is water, essential for life, can be synthesized and broken down. And the last is phosphorus, has no significant gaseous form, circulates through soils and water. Okay guys, next, biogeochemical cycles have effect by another factor. Do you know, guys, what are the factors is it?
I miss.
Okay, Sandra, please.
Deforestation, pollution, and climate change.
Okay, good answer, Sandra. This is for Sandra. Okay, next is the flow of energy in ecosystem. The flow energy in ecosystem begins with sunlight capture by primary producer, there is plant and algae, through the photosynthesis. Energy is transferred to the next tropical levels, like herbivores, primary carnivores, and each other. But most of the energy is lost as heat due to the metabolic process and other activities. Okay guys, next is trophic levels interaction. First we have top-down effect. Change at eukaryotic levels have effect at lower trophic levels. Examples, predators that eat herbivores, reducing the number of herbivores and increasing the growth of primary producer. And the second effect is bottom-up effect. Change in primary producers have effect on eukaryotic levels. Example, increased primary productivity increases the number of herbivores and carnivores. Okay guys, next is biodiversity and ecosystem stability. Biodiversity can affect ecosystem stability. Communities with higher biodiversity tend to the more stable and more resilient to disturbance. Biodiversity can increase ecosystem productivity and reduce the likelihood of invasion by new species. The factor of effective biodiversity is, first is primary reproductivity, the second is habitat heterogeneity, and the third is climate factors. Okay guys, last is island biography. The equilibrium model of island biography states that number of species on island is determined by the balance between colonized and extinction. Colonized and extinction affect the number of species, and extinction decreasing the number of species. And the last is field studies have shown that this model has some support, but have also shown that the situation on the ground is more complex than predicted. Okay guys, before we go to the conclusion, I want to ask you a question. Do you have a question about our matter before?
I miss.
Okay, Tati, please.
Why doesn't phosphorus have a significant gases from in its cycle?
Okay, Tati, nice question. So, for the answer of your question is, phosphorus doesn't have a significant gases because first, phosphorus have a high boiling point, and the second, phosphorus have high reactivity, and the last is phosphorus have compounds like like phosphate. Okay, Teddy. Did you agree with my answer?
Yes, thank you, Miss.
Okay, Teddy. You're well. Okay, guys. Next is the conclusion of our topic. Ecosystems are complex systems involving interaction between biotic and abiotic components. Understanding ecosystem is essential of managing natural research effectively and minimizing the negative impacts of human activities on the environment. Okay guys, because we already have the conclusion, so we end this topic for today. I say thank you very much for your attention and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Wow.